Move to one of the buzzers in this morning trade. As we told you, last couple of days, media stocks have been buzzing. Today too, TV Today is the leader, up 12.5%, where a buyback is open. Stocks at 81. Balaji Telefilms, Television 18. These are all stocks which have done very well. Deccan Chronicle in the print space is also having a nice 7% rally. But the biggest rally is in TV Today. So let's go across and join, excuse me, G. Krishnan of TV Today now. Krishnan, morning. Thanks for joining in. Your buyback is open. Can you confirm that you have picked up some stake in the open market since the 16th of March?
I wouldn't be able to comment on that right away. But yes, the operation is on.
Okay. Could you tell us to what extent advertising might have been affected because of the sluggish economic environment for Aaj Tak, your flagship channel, and how much you expect to make up in the election, around the election season?
I think there is a slowdown. There is no doubt about it. We are all seeing that happening, and the effect is on advertising both for print, TV, and all other media. And the slowdown there's a slight change, I would say, in the month of March, but definitely November, December, and January has been pretty sluggish. I would expect things to improve closer to the April period.
Mr. Krishnan, morning. Do you think for the company itself, though, spends might go up because of hitting election season? What are you allocating right now in terms of a budget for election spend?
You mean for us as a company, how much should we spend?
Yep.
Or as advertising money?
For you as a company, Mr. Krishnan, what kind of election spend do you expect to have for the quarter underway?
I would say it would be similar to what we had spent last year, last elections. And we would obviously see that the coverage is as extensive as possible based on the money that we would spend.
There has been some speculation that TV Today might be looking to either sell one of its properties or looking to acquire in order to beef up its flagship property, which is Aaj Tak. Would you care to comment on that?
We have no plans to sell any of our properties. If there is an opportunity, we will surely look at acquiring some businesses, yes.
Krishnan, there's been some talk of consolidation among the news broadcasters. I mean, there have even been rumors, completely unsubstantiated, that the TV Today group might be talking to the NDTV group. Is there any truth to that at all?
No, not at all. No.
So you're denying that?
Yes.
Also, how do you see your advertising revenues being affected by whether IPL happens around election season or not? Do you think that would be a major factor for you as news channels?
There is some growth in March. It's a little better than what we had anticipated, and I think it could improve in the month of April, A, because of election, and B, with the expectation of government being formed, will also make advertisers want to advertise. It will also, I think, encourage consumers to now start consuming, which would mean consumption pattern may eventually change. It may be slow, but I think it will be for the better.
For Aaj Tak, your flagship channel, because of the sluggish economic environment, is it that inventory utilization has reduced somewhat, or have you considered lowering ad rates per se because of the environment?
I think the inventory utilization definitely is reduced. There's no doubt about it. We have not done anything to our rate to lose on revenue generation. While volumes have come down, values have stayed quite reasonable, and we have decided not to reduce rates. We said we'll stay with our rates, and because the market itself, the volume is low, it doesn't make any sense reducing rates, because the advertising scenario is far lower than what it would have been normally at this time of the year.
You do continue to be a bit ahead of Star News and India TV, Mr. Krishnan. What is the current market share for Aaj Tak, and any targets that you've set out for calendar year 09?
We would like to stay ahead of competition, and we'll certainly like to stay number one, because we've stayed number one for 9 years, and I don't see any reason why we can't do it. We have a very strong team who can put content together, and I believe they'll continue to do that. And I think our plan for 09-010 is to similarly hold a number one position.
Thanks, Mr. Krishnan, for joining in today. That's TV Today, still up about 12%. No confirmation from the management on whether or not they're buying. Have allocated in terms of amount close to 30 crores for the buyback. Stocks holding up nicely. We'll take a break.